Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be looking at buying watches from China. This is a testing watch water resistance guide. Let's move over to have a look at water resistance and what that actually means. Now, what is checked when we're looking at water resistance? Now, water resistance on a watch is obtained by three important factors, and I'm going to go through each of these three in turn. Now, the first one is the case back. Now, the case back refers to how the back of the case attaches to the watch. Snap-on case backs are considered to be least water resistant. The slightest deformation in a case or a gasket will allow water to penetrate the case. Generally, these watches will have a water resistance of 30 meters or 99 feet, which allows for slight splashes of water. Example would be washing your hands. This is not for full immersion in water. So the 30 meters is a little bit misleading, but remember 30 meters is you can wash your hands. Okay, slight splash in the rain, stuff like this. Let's have a look at the second factor when we're talking about water resistance, and that is through the crown. Now the crown, as you can see here on the right hand side, the crown on the watch is used to adjust the time. The crown is attached to a stem which is attached to the movement through the hole in the case edge. The crown is the single most important factor to ensure water resistance. The weakest link in the watch for water penetration is the crown hole. Water can enter through the crown hole when the gasket has been distorted from stress. So we need to make sure this very small black band here, like an O-ring, is in perfect condition. Otherwise, water will be coming in. So we can see here the crown with a seal to help the water resistance is shown here. Let's have a look at the third factor, and the third factor is the gasket. And the gaskets are also known as O-rings, and they are made of rubber, nylon or Teflon. They form watertight seals at the joints where the crystal, case back and crown meet the watch case. If the watch is a chronograph, the chronograph pushers will also have gaskets. You can see the gasket is clearly shown here on this image. Earlier I mentioned 30 meters as a water resistance. Here's a quick table with an example of water resistance ratings and what they are suitable for. As you can see here at the top, we have a water resistance of 30 meters or 3 bars or 3 atoms, and that is suitable for, as we mentioned earlier, washing your hands, splashing or rain resistance. As we have a look down some of the more common ones, other common ones are a water resistance of 100 meters, and this is suitable for recreational surfing, swimming, snorkeling, sailing and water sports. This is not a diving watch, but you can actually wear it for swimming. So let's have a look down at the diver's watch. Okay, so the diver's watch is 200 or 300 meters, and this is suitable for scuba diving at depths not suitable for saturation diving. So don't forget to check out our other videos on our channel, and you can contact us if you need any help in China. For your convenience, there will be a link just below. So once again, my name's Paul Adams from Sofeast, and thanks for listening.